together we can see what we will find. Don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover. Find a home within the fragile substance of my soul, and I have filled this void with things unreal, and all the while my character is have been burned. You say that's exactly how this grace thing works. It's not a long walk home that will change this heart, but the welcome I receive when the restart. Yeah!